Hello, skincare enthusiasts. This is Candice Betty, and today we're starting this series on how to use your skincare products. Now, in this series, we're going to go through face wash, toner, moisturizer, serum, etc. And today we're going to be starting with how to use Purifying Black Face Wash. Now, this is my all-time favorite face wash, and you're going to learn why it's so popular with people who have sensitive skin. So if you want to learn how to use your skincare products correctly and in the right order, you're in the right place. We're getting started right now. Now, before I show you how to use this face wash, I want to tell you why it's my all-time favorite. So this is in a gel formula and it has activated charcoal in it. Now the gel doesn't overly dry your skin, and the activated charcoal binds impurities, makeup, toxins from your day in the air, and it washes them away. I really don't like it when some products overly dry my skin after cleansing, and this face wash does not do that because it doesn't contain sulfates. Now, if you have sensitive skin, sulfates can contribute to redness and sensitivity, and that's definitely something that I don't want, having rosacea. So any ingredients that contribute to any sort of redness are definitely out in all of my formulations. Now, I get so many compliments from both men and women about how this face wash makes their skin feel. Women absolutely love it because it removes makeup in one easy step. Now, men, they love it because of how smooth it makes their skin feel. It's got activated charcoal, which has a bit of physical exfoliation, as well as organic fruit acids, which provide a bit of chemical exfoliation and help to purify the pores and prevent breakouts. This face wash also does not have any parabens, so it's not going to disrupt any hormone function, and it is safer to use. Before you use this cleanser, I recommend that you give it a shake or two, because sometimes the activated charcoal can settle to the bottom if it's been sitting for a while. I recommend splashing your face with warm water and using about a dime-sized amount on your fingertips and rubbing them together and applying to your face in an upwards and outwards motion. And you can do the neck as well and the décolleté if you're in the shower. You do not need to use a washcloth, because it can pull on skin and increase redness. So if you have sensitive skin, I do not recommend using a washcloth, but I do recommend just being gentle to your skin, using products that are gentle and using a gentle upwards motion. Now, when you're done, you're going to want to splash your face with warm water and then pat your skin dry with a clean towel. Now, this is not a rubbing motion, just a gentle pat in place. And I tend to replace my towel every 2 to 3 days. Well, there you have it. Why Purifying Black Face Wash is my all-time favorite face wash. It cleanses amazingly well without over drying. It's got activated charcoal and a gel formula. So I absolutely love it. If you would like to try it for yourself, you can order it directly from Organic Radiance Skincare's website, and I'll post a link to that down in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future episodes. And this series is how to use your skincare products. Next up in this series, we're going to be discussing how to use your toner and why toner is important for prepping your skin for your moisturizer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.